Hi, friends and family. This is Dr. Love, the only doctor of love. I've come here once again about relationship talk, and as this series starting on a solid foundation, we are talking about comparison. We said comparison being the thief of our joy. Talk about the types of comparison, the upward comparison, the downward comparison, and the lateral comparison. Today we're gonna talk about the effect or impact of comparison. We're gonna talk about the negative impact or negative effects of comparison. Consistent comparing yourself to others have an impact on you, whether positively or negatively. So they're going to take the negative aspect. Comparing yourself to others negatively, it reduces your self-esteem, as constant comparing leads to feeling inadequate. You feel like you have not achieved more, you've not achieved what you are supposed to, or as others have achieved. It also leads to jealousy and resentment. It can breed toxic emotion towards friends and colleagues, damaging relationship, and it also loses personal direction. Sometimes, most of the time, mostly when you compare yourself to others, you may end up losing focus on your ambition or your direction or what you are doing, and rather focusing on others, what they are doing, and it may lead to diversion of direction, and also it leads to perfectionism or burnout. As unrealistic standard set by comparing oneself to others can lead to unrealistic expectation and also frustration and all sort of burnout and stuff, because the more you compare yourself to others, what the levels they've gotten to, you'll be aiming to get there, and you are trying to work in every way possible to get there, but not realizing the number of years or effort they put in to get to that level, and you wanna get to that level within a chipper or within a twinkle of an eye or within some few days. It leads to burnout, and you feel like you are not perfect in your doing and stuff, and also decrease happiness. The more you comparing yourself to others, you feel like no, you have not gotten to the levels you are supposed to, and you are not focusing on your achievements, your gain, and your success. And you are always looking out to what you don't have, which reduce or take away the happiness, the joy that you are supposed to have, focusing on what you have achieved or the success you've gained so far or the levels you've gotten to. Comparison, it leads to a lot of things. Don't entertain it in your relationship, in your marriage, in your workplace, and every aspect. So we meet again. This is Dr. Love, the only doctor.